Welcome back to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing. Today we are down at Buck Lake. We are headed to Campsite 1 in Frontenac Park. We are doing part 9 of the Frontenac Challenge. If you don't already know, the Frontenac Challenge is where we camp one night a month for a year straight. And we are on the 9th month. Anyways, let's get the boat in the water and get off this boat launch. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot again. I'm terrible at this. My name is Ben, and this is Haley. I dodged that one yet. Go ahead. See that halo? We might be getting a bunch of rain tomorrow. Okay, we're at the campsite. Let's get set up. This has to be probably one of the best fire pits that we've seen at any of the campsites. 3 benches? That's awesome. You could have a party here. Because we're expecting a bunch of rain tomorrow, we're going to set these tarps up, or a tarp, and just try and get some shelter so we can stay dry when we cook breakfast, maybe. Okay, so we had some friends stop by, which is actually really nice to hang out with them for a little bit. So it's a little too dark to film now. We're going to make some tacos and probably just hang out for the night. What do you know? Weather forecast was accurate. It's raining. It's raining a lot. So, yeah. Don't know how today's gonna go. Stay tuned and find out. we're making breakfast. We're making bacon, beans, and hash browns. And smart food. It's just an appetizer. So traditionally on the Frontenac Challenge, I forget something. And this time I forgot one of the worst things to forget. Coffee. So just as we're finishing breakfast here, the rain picked up. It's coming down in sheets now. Tighten up your sleeves so you don't get water down them. Largemouth bass. Oh. Okay, so that wraps up part 9 of the Frontenac Challenge. It was a little bit of a wet one at the end. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Anyways, we'll catch you later.